And just like that, your backend is cleaner, your login screen is branded, and you have already made your client probably think like, dang, this looks custom built. So first, to install the Nexter extension free version, head over to plugins and here click on add new. Now in the search bar, type Nexter extension. Once it appears, simply move ahead and click install now. Then activate done. Now let's talk branding. This is where things are going to get really fun, my friend, because Nexter lets you completely white label the backend. For it, here only in the admin interface section, navigate towards branded WP admin, toggle it on, then click on this gear icon to open up the customization panel. Here, you can make your login page feel 100% yours, no more generic WordPress branding. Now, let's break it down. Layout is for form positioning. Center it, push it left, right, totally your call. Also, using background, you can either go with solid color, pick something that matches your brand, or upload a custom image of your choice. Now, coming to the form, you've got a lot of controls here. Upload a custom logo, set the logo width so it fits perfectly, add a URL to the logo, maybe your site homepage, and then let's move ahead to form box. Alright, I'm seeing this to set width and padding. Then there is a section to add a background color, and if you want to throw in a border and shadow, you can do that as well by using this layered card effect, and that is pretty much all in here. Now, next one is field. So from here you can customize fonts, colors and sizes for input fields, backgrounds and borders for both normal and focus states, and further from here we can even style the login button with hover effects. So that was pretty much all in here. And yep, before we wrap up this section, don't forget to check out the footer text like lost your password. Yes, you are right. That is stylable too. This shows how the Nexter team has paid attention to even the tiniest details. Even elements like labels and buttons are fully customizable, ensuring everything stays consistent with your branding. After these, when you're done styling it all out, can just go ahead and click on this save button, and next, the login page wouldn't just be functional, but will also look like your product. So whether it's for clients or your own projects, this alone is capable enough to give it a super professional finish. And just like that, your backend is cleaner, your login screen is branded, and you have already made your client probably think like, dang, this looks custom built.